वैश्विक परिदृश्य इस समय महत्वपूर्ण अनिश्चितता के दौर से गुजर रहा है। भू राजनीतिक संघर्ष जैसे कि पूर्वी यूरोप और मध्य पूर्व में आपूर्ति श्रृंखलाओं को वितरित कर रहे हैं और दुनिया भर में कीमतें बढ़ा रहे हैं। साथ ही संयुक्त राज्य अमेरिका जैसे प्रमुख आर्थिक देशों से नए व्यापार सहित व्यापार तनाव से वैश्विक आर्थिक विकास धीमा होने की उम्मीद है, जिसका अनुमान 20,244 में 3.2% से घटकर 2025 में 2.7% हो जाएगा। अग्रिम अर्थव्यवस्था में केंद्रीय बैंक मुद्रास्फीति से निपटने के लिए ब्याज दरें बढ़ा रहे हैं, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मुद्रा और पूंजी बाजारों में अस्थिरता को धोखा दे रहे हैं। इस मुद्दा को लेकर कोलकाता एक नामी होटल में मर्चेंट चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री ने एक डिक्सन पैनल का आयोजित किया गया। इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित थे अभिषेक बसु मल्लिक जो चेयरमैन और काउंसिल है कैपिटल मार्केट MCCI, लक्ष्मी यर जो ग्रुप प्रेसिडेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड CEO ऑफ बजाज ऑल्स, मरण गोविंदस्वामी जो एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर हैं यूनिफाई कैपिटल के, नूरेश मोरनी जो फाउंडर हैं नूरेश टेक के। इसके साथ और भी गणमान्य व्यक्ति मौजूद थे।
So the Indian markets have actually soaked in and I would say absorbed the entire tariff-related news and its potential impact. And the good news is that whatever you've seen in the markets up until now has already reflected bulk of the negative news. So our view is from here on you will see earnings, which is the domestic earnings, gather a lot of momentum. Also, what kind of consumption impetus we will get because of the GST rationalization. I think the entire center stage is going to focus on that. Therefore, we believe that on balance, where the near-term outlook is still a little bit, I would say, uncertain, over the medium to long term, we believe these fundamental drivers will actually kickstart the next leg of the consumption-led sentiment booster for the Indian capital markets. Believe that the domestic liquidity which is getting fueled into the capital markets, which is largely on the equities, will act as a strong catalyst to continue to keep the sentiments upbeat. Though we do see that the foreign investors have been selling into Indian equities, but that given the fact that they are at a decadal low in terms of equity ownership in India, creates a case for reallocation sooner than later.
So my view on US tariffs is the fact that if you look at tariff deals which happened in other countries, they've actually gone up. So whether it is Vietnam or whether it is China or whether it is Indonesia, and eventually a deal has been in play. So even in China deal, there were multiple iterations and finally the deal came into play. So today we have a copybook that globally markets did well when the trade deal happened. So you have to just wait for that to happen, and you have to keep a long-term view in the markets in this scenario. In the short term, we don't have a clue, but in the long term, everything looks interesting.